Hey everybody. I'm so sorry for all of the confusion that this is causing. Probably stress more than confusion. Um, ugh, I wish we were in class together and this would not be happening, but here we are. So, one, I apologize because I know you're frustrated, and I am extremely frustrated because I have been chatting back and forth with the tech people for this website. And anyway, so here is the best thing I can think of right now. It's important that you do this activity because it's one of the practice activities for gender, which is on your quiz that you will be taking this upcoming week. So it's not okay to just kind of like skip it and not do it, because then you haven't practiced anything and you're not really prepared for this Friday, Thursday quiz. So that being said, do it. And at the end of this video, or you can like pause this video or whatever, here is the answer key. And then you can submit it, okay? So I'm going to start at the top. I'll just scroll down so you can just keep referring back and forth. There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. I'm also going to, no, I think I'll leave it just like this so you can't exactly copy everything. Yeah, so we're just flexible, and obviously, like, don't worry about it if you need to take more time, or if it's not letting you submit something, you just let me know. We'll work it out. But most importantly, you're getting this practice in that you need before the quiz on Thursday or Friday, okay? Hope you have a good weekend. I'll see you around.